I know everyone was waiting for my heatless curl tutorial to drop, so here you go. Happy New Year and welcome to 2021, where everything is totally fine now. I have been searching my entire life for a heatless curl method that is super easy, doesn't take up a lot of time, is comfortable to sleep in, and works. And I've tried so many. These curlers, I've braided every single way you could think of. I've twisted things up every single way you think of. I have had like the curl formers. I even have like this thingy do. But I think I finally got one that I actually don't mind doing. I don't mind sleeping in it, and it works pretty well. So I'm gonna show you how I do that today. You're gonna need 2 bandanas, water, 2 hair ties, or alternatively, if you're not sleeping in it, I like to use these little claw clips, and then just a tiny clip. I've seen people do the same kind of method with a bathrobe tie, but for me, my hair is just too short for that to work. So these are small enough so that I can wrap all my hair around it and it all gets curled. So now I'm just gonna spray my hair a little bit just to get it slightly damp. You don't want it to be wet because it'll take forever to dry and probably won't dry overnight. I sometimes do this in the morning once I wake up and then leave it in for like 2 hours and it comes out just as nice. And because my hair doesn't like to hold a curl, I'm going to be using Shea Moisture's Curl and Style Milk. This is all I'm going to be using. I'm going to rub that through my hands and just put that in my hair. Now this is where you're going to want to part your hair whichever way you like to wear it. Next thing you do is you take your 2 bandanas and you give them a little tie. Put it on top of your head. Take a little clippy-do. You can use a bobby pin. So I'm just gonna take this clip and put it on the side that I'm not working on, and I'm gonna be clipping in my hair and the bandana, just like that, just so that it stays pretty secure. All I'm gonna do is section out parts of my hair and wrap it around the bandana. And then the next time I come around, I'll wrap it around and grab another section of hair, the next section, and add it to that previous section, and then wrap it around again. And just keep grabbing sections as you go down. Keep it pretty tight across your head like this, and just keep doing this until you reach like the middle back of your head. About half of your hair. Now I'm just grabbing that last section on this side, just because it feels right. Nothing fancy. I'm gonna smooth all this out and just keep wrapping it. My hair's short, so it doesn't go very far beyond the nape of my neck, but just wrap it. And this is where, if it was daytime, I would just use one of these and just clip it like that. And then you're good to go. You can see what I did there. And I would just leave it like that for like 2 hours and then take it out and you'll have beautiful curls. But since I need it to be a little bit more secured, I don't want to sleep on that giant clip overnight, I'm just gonna keep wrapping it and take a little scrunchie. Now here's a pro tip. Instead of like wrapping around only once, I take it like this and I wrap it around and put it through itself, just so that you don't have to wrap it around as many times, because it's kind of a hassle because I have to pull all this through. And there you go. It stays put. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Unclip this, brush it out, and start doing the same thing. Hi, Fauna. Fauna, do you have to do that right now? She's trying to open cabinets. Okay. Here we are. And that's my hair all ready to go to sleep on. It's super comfortable. It's honestly, this is the back, by the way. It's honestly the easiest way I've found to curl my hair. Super quick too. Like if you're exhausted, you can still make your hair look really cute for the next day. It works probably a little bit better if you have long hair. As you can see in the back, it gets further away from the curl, so the stuff in the very back isn't going to be as curled. But I mean, working from home, nobody sees the back of your head anyways, so like as long as the front looks cute, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, this is how I go to sleep. And if you are bothered by these little cute pigtails, you're scared you're gonna pull on them or something while you're asleep, take them around the back. If you have any pieces that are pulling, just loosen them. Around the back, go like this, bring it forward, and then what I like to do is I like to tie it in the front here once, and then I'll take this one, the one that I began with, and I'll tie it to that. And I'll do the same with the other side, if I can find it. Just kind of like connect the two ties so that it's like all in one. And that way it's very secure, like it's not gonna go anywhere. This is what it looks like when I go to sleep. It's kind of fashion. And I'll show you how it looks in the morning. I have this feeling I'm being watched. Good morning! This is what my hair looks like when I woke up. So I'm just gonna take it down. And you know what? Let me go do my makeup. Okay, I'm excited to take it out. It seems like overnight it did loosen a bit on this side, a bit more than it did on this side. And that's just because I sleep on this side, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Watch it turn out like crap because I'm trying to show you how great it is. The curl on this side is going to be tighter, I can already tell. So this is what it looks like when it just comes out. And then I like to run my fingers through it just to break up the curls a little bit. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of oil, rub it through my hands, just just kind of put it through the hair a little bit to calm it down. And here we are. Oh, Fauna wants to come in. The final result. For like a work from home situation, it's perfect. It's also like a really adorable base for any type of like updo. It's just, I love it. I think it's so cute. And so now it's time to address the hair color that I have going on. Because last time you saw me, I put Arctic Fox Ritual in my hair, and it was like this really deep, dark red color. And I ended up really liking it. Arctic Fox Ritual bled out like crazy and turned my hair green. I don't know what happened. So when I got back from the holidays, I just decided to dye my hair green anyways, just like this nice mint color. And the roots they look yellow, but I bleached them, and they're not yellow because I didn't bleach them enough. They're yellow because the red shade held on to my natural regrowth really well, but none of my blonde hair. So I definitely don't recommend using Arctic Fox Ritual if you have bleached hair. But for right now, this is the hairstyle that I have been loving, rocking, super cute. I usually like the way it turns out better when I don't sleep on it. Like I'll just put it in the little tie and clip it and leave it on for 2 hours and take it out. And that gives kind of more of a more relaxed wave. And I really like the way that that turns out. But this turned out okay. It turned out okay. I'm not upset with it, you know. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you for watching. Make sure to do whatever you need to do down there and the subscribe or whatever. All right. How do I end these things? I don't know. This is like super unnatural. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.